Hello colleagues, in this video I want to show you an easier way of creating a task in EduX. We've had a way of creating a task that was a bit complicated for most people. So this is a simplified version. We've improved the app and said let's make something simple. Now what is going to happen is when you go to the question bank, you will see the icons that are showing on the right hand side of each of the questions that you have. And all you have to do now is to just go and click on that particular icon, and that will then create the task that you want, as well as add the question. So I'm going to continue and add the other questions. I've added a second question, and this is the third question, and I'm just going to add a few questions so that you can see what will show in the task that you have. So I've added enough questions now. Now I'm going to move to the task generator, and I'm going to find there is a task. There was no task here before, and just by clicking on the questions I've created a task. Now the problem is I cannot just print the task, and we could have automated that to make your life easy, but you need to give the task a name or a title. So what you're gonna do is to click on the set task row there, and you're gonna click on this edit button at the bottom, and everything you'll see, it is already filled for you. All you have to do is to click next, and when you then get there, you're gonna tell us what type of a task is this, and I'm gonna have a tutorial. So I'm gonna say tutorial, and I'm going to say test video tutorial so that we make life easy. And I could write a message for whoever I make the task for. I'm not going to do that at the moment. I just want us to create the task. Now when you get to question list, you just have to click, and it will show you the questions that you've added, and you select all, and then you say done, and all the questions will show there. I'm not going to worry about duration, but importantly you must say yes to generate task, and once you say yes, it's going to be sent to your email address. So at the moment I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to share the task with other people, but I'm just going to generate the task, and I'm going to press save. When I press save, you're going to see the set task changes to red. It's no longer green as it was before, because now I've created a task and there are questions that I've added in the question list there. So we're going to look now at the email that I've received and see if the questions that I've added are already there. Okay guys, I've just opened my email and I can see the task that we were doing is already there. This is test video chat. So I'm just going to open it, and you can see I did not write much. So this is just a standard message that I get. And when I go and open the task, you will see that the questions that I've added are in the task. And these are the questions that I've added into the task up to number 7.1.2. So this is how you can make your own tasks. It's quite simple. It takes a few minutes. In fact, this takes now less than 2 minutes, and you can create as many tasks. You can create a homework, you can create a classwork, it could be an assignment, a tutorial, a test. So you have to just get used to starting to use the app, and it's going to make your life easy.